Can you go like 0.5, like worldwide?
Yeah. Why don't I just do something quick, like dun 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 dun. Welcome to Hazmundi TV, bringing you the insight, latest and greatest news and reports from the mass headquarters. Come on, let's take you inside, show you around.
Day in the life.
Episode 1, here with Eli Clark, Gupling 1, and Kane Missett, also known as Fish Fiend Gupling 2. The boys are they've actually been ordered by the current founder, CEO, Tristan Viar, to tie their leader knots because they're going for another river session this afternoon. This will be their 10th river session in the last fortnight with absolute donutting every single time. No fish. Eli, just want you to show and tell the people what kind of leader knot you're tying here. Is this a risotto finish?
So right now I'm tying the good old FG knot. It actually will be a risotto finish. So I'm running 12-pound braid, 12-pound leader. Hopefully you get maybe a couple jacks.
A couple jacks, okay. I've heard that every single time that you, before you go fishing. So, and what makes today different? I know it's really cold outside, so that's going to probably hinder the jacks. But just
me and Kane are sweating our balls off in this warehouse. So I reckon the humidity is high. Jacks are on. It's overcast day.
Yep.
There's going to be no boat traffic out in the river. Go and hit the canals and get a 50.
Get a 50. Okay. All right, I'll just come around the side here. Just have a little chat with Kane Missett. This kid's he's been putting in the hours lately on the weekend. Kane, what did you get up to on Saturday night? You want to tell the audience?
Saturday night, bit of a late one.
Yep. And what happened? Where did you end up, Kane?
In the front seat of a Ford Falcon.
Yep.
Sharing with about 10 people.
10 people. How many girls?
Well, that was my girlfriend, and then.
Oh, okay, that's good.
That was about it.
So 10 people, your girlfriend, and it was it just blokes in there as well?
It was about 50-50.
50-50. Yeah, that works. And so, what kind of setup have you got here, Kane? Do you want to just run the people through your new setup here?
So we've got the Vanford, 2,500, some 6-pound J-braid, I think it is. Then we're running Team Daiwa.
J-braid, just J-braid. Let's just not forget that, J-braid.
Yep. TD Black Pinster, 1 to 4 kilo. And
when did you buy this setup?
Oh, I bought the reel a couple months ago and the rod not too long ago. I reckon about, when was last payday? Thursday.
Last Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday.
So if you don't know, Kane actually spends around $400 a week on fishing gear. I've actually caught him at the counter buying our own Haymaker jigs. It's just the kind of bloke that this man is. But anyway, Kane, all the best for this afternoon, mate. Hope you can get a Mangrove jack. I know you guys have been trying for the last couple of months. Hopefully Tristan will be able to put you onto some fish this afternoon for once. But
we'll put Tristan onto some fish this arvo.
Garrett and Tristan taking us out. We're taking
The guppies are taking Tristan fishing.
okay.
Guppies are taking over.
Yeah, the guppies are now taking over. We'll check back in tomorrow for a guppy files. Hopefully you might have something on the board.
See some stories up the Savo.
Yep. All right.
Hold up.
Thanks, boys.
Lap shot.
Cheers.
Oh, yeah, one's out.
Alright, show them the saddleback.
Oh, God. Oh, man. Oh. Ow. Oh, treble.
That's the best thing I've ever seen.
Please, full treble.
Oh, I'm out.
You double treble.
You're
Jersey.
That's the second half finger treble today.
Kid who knows one again. Look what it is. Get that out of here.